everybody, welcome to Secretary Academy. So in this video, we're going to be talking about how to create carousels. So it says carousels are also slideshows for cycling through elements. So we have how to create carousel. The following example shows how to create a basic carousel with indicators and controls. Let's go. So the first thing first, we're going to create a div. This div we have ID, which will be demo. It will have a class, which will be carousel, and we'll call it slide. And it will have a data BS toggle, which will be, it will have a data BS ride, which will be carousel. Then after that, we'll come here, we'll have a div. We'd also have a div as well, and we'll call it class carousel indicator class carousel indicators. Then inside these carousel indicators, we'll give it a button, and the button type will be class BTS toggle slide 01, and which that one is active. Then that is that. Then after that, we're going to create another div. Then we're going to create another div. Inside this div, we'll call it class carousel inner. Then inside this div again, so it's a div inside div. So I have another div. I will call it carousel class carousel item active. Then in this as well, we cannot give it image. We'll say img src, and we can give it class. Let's first give it class. We'll say class debug, and the width should be 100%. And we can give it class. Let's just say orange. Then let's give it ./orange.jpg. Then that's all. Now we can duplicate this. Then we can duplicate this to 2, 3. Yeah, so that's it about that. So after that, we are going to give it a button, and the button will give it class carousel control preview. They'll give it will be type button, and we'll give it will be, we'll have the slide which will be preview, and we'll also have one which will be next. Then inside that we'll have a span. We'll say span. Then inside this span, we'll give it class carousel control. Which one is this? Preview. We'll give it preview. Then we'll give it span, and in this span we'll give it carousel class carousel control next icon. They'll also give this one carousel preview icon. So this is understandable. Then after that, we cannot give it another div that will have a text, and we can give this one class container fluid, and we'll give this empty 3. They will come here, we'll say h3, and they will say carousel example. So let's just give it like this. Now let's check what we did out. So as you can see, we have our image, and let me use another image. Because it's not making me see. Let's use Steph.jpg. Now let's check it out. So this is it. Can you see it? So this is our preview, and can you see? And this is it. So that is this for carousel. We have our slider here, which shows that, okay, yes, we are previewing it. So that is that for that. Now let's move to the next part, which says carousels, class description, and captions. A description of what each class from the example above. So we have the carousel, that is create a carousel. We have the carousel indicator, that is adds indicator for the carousel. These are the little dots that at the bottom of each slide, which is this one. This one, which indicates how many slides there are in the carousel and which slides the user are currently viewing. And it's this one, the inner one, it adds slides to the carousel. We have the carousel item, specifies the content of each slide. We have the control preview, adds the left previous button to the carousel, which allows the user to go back between the slides. Same as the next, adds a right next button to the carousel, which allows users to go forward between the slides. We have the icons, which is used with the carousel previous to create a previous button and that. Then we have the slides, which add a transition and animation effect when sliding from the item to the next. This remove this class if you don't want that effect. Then we have adding caption. This one helps us to add caption. So let's check it out. So when we have this carousel item with active, we can just come here and we'll give it a div and say, give it a class, which will be carousel captions. Then inside there, we can say Steph. Steph is a great player. Now let's check it out. So can you see the caption that we have here? So that is that, and that is easy. I hope you understand everything we've taught you so far. Thank you for watching this video. Please do also follow us across all socials at Techation Academy. See you next time. Bye.